Tired of rushing to the bank just to deposit a check? What if I told you that with the EverBank mobile app, you could turn your phone into your personal deposit teller? EverBank's mobile deposit feature is designed for convenience, letting you deposit checks securely from virtually anywhere, anytime. All you need is the EverBank mobile app, a good internet connection, and your check. We're going to walk through the simple steps to start using this fantastic feature today. First, you need to be an existing EverBank client enrolled in online banking and have the latest version of the EverBank mobile app installed on your smartphone or tablet. Step 1. Endorse your check. Before you even open the app, make sure your check is properly endorsed. You must sign the back of the check, and critically, you need to write "for mobile deposit only at EverBank" right underneath your signature. This special endorsement is a key security measure. Step 2. Log into the app. Open the EverBank mobile app and log in using your user ID and password. Once you're on your account dashboard, look for the deposit option. This might be in the main menu or on a quick access bar at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it. Step 3. Select your account and enter the amount. The app will first ask you to select whichever bank account you want to deposit the check into. Choose the correct one. Next, you'll be prompted to enter the exact amount of the check. Double-check this number to ensure it matches the written and numerical value on your check. Step 4. Take the photos. Now for the picture taking. The app will guide you. Lay your endorsed check on a flat, well-lit, dark-colored surface. A darker background helps the app's camera identify the check edges. Tap the camera icon to capture the front of the check. Hold the phone steady, making sure all 4 corners are within the on-screen guides. The app may auto-capture the image when everything looks right. After the front is captured, flip the check over and repeat the process for the back, the side with your signature and the "for mobile deposit only" endorsement. Step 5. Review and submit. Review the images to ensure they are clear, legible, and that all information, including the MICR line at the bottom, is visible. Confirm the deposit amount one last time. Once you're satisfied, hit the Submit or Deposit button. You will receive a confirmation on your screen that your deposit has been successfully submitted. Remember to hold onto the physical check for a few days until you see the funds fully cleared and available in your account, just in case there are any issues. EverBank typically processes these deposits quickly, often by the next business day if submitted before the daily cutoff time, which is generally 9 p.m. Eastern Time. And that's it. You've successfully deposited a check without ever leaving your couch. It's banking made easy, secure, and fully mobile. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.